I have to give you a gift to say thank you for.
You do?
I do.
Yes.
Contractually, I have to give you a gift. I've brought you this. This is something I made today in Sloss Furnace.
Wow.
And it says the United States of Balti on it. Now, do you know what Balti is?
I do not know.
This is chicken Balti from ASDA.
Oh, wow.
And you cook it in there.
Okay.
Have it with some rice, and that'll be a taste of Birmingham.
Okay. And this is human food.
It is human food,
I'm
yeah.
gonna be real with you, Joe. Looks like it's for a pet.
Yeah.
Just want to put that out there. It may be delicious, but I'm just telling you, at first glance, looks like this goes on the ground, that goes in it, and then the mutt comes and eat it.
Well,
Joe, if it's dog food, I'm gonna find you, brother.